Looking for a bankruptcy attorney in Tampa, Florida? Since 1993, Jay Weller and the Attorneys and Paralegals at Weller Legal Group have been serving the Tampa Bay community. Mr. Weller represents debtors in primarily Chapter 7 bankruptcy and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. What makes a good bankruptcy attorney? In your lifetime you may only have to file for bankruptcy protection 1 or 2 times. It is important that you choose your prospective bankruptcy attorney carefully, or you could have many headaches coming your way in the near future. Just because a bankruptcy attorney passes the bar and is licensed to practice bankruptcy law in the state of Florida, does not mean the attorney is competent. There are a few things that determine whether your prospective bankruptcy attorney will provide beneficial representation: experience, reviews, and competency. If you are looking to hire an attorney, the experience should be one important factor that you should consider. How long has the bankruptcy attorney been practicing bankruptcy law? Does the attorney primarily practice bankruptcy law, or does the attorney practice many types of law? How many clients have the attorney represented in bankruptcy? Weller Legal Group primarily represents debtors in bankruptcy and has since 1993, representing many thousands of clients in bankruptcy. The next is reviews. If your prospective bankruptcy attorney has been in the business for a few years, they should have some reviews on their profile. Look and study these past reviews and see if past clients had a good or bad experience with this bankruptcy attorney. Be careful of fake reviews. Some unscrupulous attorneys will post fake reviews. One way to spot a fake review is when the reviewer has also posted numerous reviews for other providers of services or goods. These are generally professional reviewers who are paid for their reviews. The last thing that makes up a good bankruptcy attorney is competency. Is your prospective bankruptcy attorney not able to answer your questions, or do they stumble without knowing the correct answer? How many clients have the attorney successfully navigated through the bankruptcy process? Questions to ask your bankruptcy attorney. Here is a list of 8 questions that you should ask your prospective bankruptcy attorney. Of course, you can ask the bankruptcy attorney more than just these 8 questions, but we believe that this is a good place to start with your prospective bankruptcy attorney. Below is a list of the 8 questions you should definitely ask your prospective bankruptcy attorney before hiring them. What is your experience as a bankruptcy attorney in Tampa? How much are your fees for the entire bankruptcy process? Do you think I should file Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy? How will filing for bankruptcy benefit me and my family? How long will my entire case take before it is completely finished? What risks may I face when going through the bankruptcy process? How will we communicate throughout the bankruptcy process? Are you currently a licensed attorney in Florida? Jay Weller of the Weller Legal Group. Jay Weller is a graduate of the University of Akron School of Law. He has been practicing bankruptcy law in the state of Florida for over 25 years. Jay Weller is dedicated to helping his clients go through the bankruptcy process and improve their credit scores. Mr. Weller only represents debtors, so you should feel confident in having him represent you during your bankruptcy case. As we mentioned earlier, you should choose a bankruptcy attorney that has a lot of experience in this field. Jay Weller has helped tens of thousands of clients through the bankruptcy process. Throughout the years he has helped his clients through the Chapter 7, Chapter 11, and Chapter 13 bankruptcy process. Some advice that Jay Weller suggests is to find an attorney that primarily practices bankruptcy law. Also, if you have any questions in regards to bankruptcy, it's best to set up an appointment together and write down any questions you may have on a piece of paper, and Mr. Weller will be happy to answer any questions. Costs of filing for bankruptcy. The costs may vary a little bit from case to case, but we will try to give you a good estimation of how much your bankruptcy case may cost. The current costs to file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy protection is $338. This does not include the fee that your attorney will charge. Your attorney fees may range from a low of around $800 to a high of around $2,000 to help with your Chapter 7 bankruptcy case. The fees may vary depending on the complexity of your bankruptcy case. In Chapter 13 Bankruptcy, the total cost for filing bankruptcy with the courts is $313. There will be an additional fee that your bankruptcy attorney will charge you for their services. This bankruptcy attorney fee may range from a low of around $800 to a high of around $4,500 to help with your Chapter 13 bankruptcy case. As mentioned before, the price of your case may vary depending on the complexity of your bankruptcy case. These numbers should give you a pretty good indication of the approximate costs to file for bankruptcy. Be aware that Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy are not the same and will have different fees for each type of bankruptcy. Final thoughts. We at the Weller Legal Group hope that this article was educational for you and helped you feel more confident with choosing a bankruptcy attorney in the Tampa area. The Weller Legal Group has over 25 years of experience in helping our clients with their bankruptcies and improving their credit scores. We have offices located all throughout Florida, including Clearwater, Port Richey, Lakeland, and Tampa. If you need help with the bankruptcy process or want to improve your credit score, give us a call today at 1-813-229-3328 or toll free at 1-800-407-3328. Our Tampa office is located at 4100 West Kennedy Boulevard, between Dale Mabry and Lois Avenue. Call us today. We can help.